Complete the proof. Here we are given angle B and angle D are right angles, and that C is the midpoint of segments A, E, and BD. Then we're going to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle EDC. First statement is going to be this given, angle B and angle D are right angles. And again, the reason's given. The second statement is the second given. C is the midpoint of segment AE and BD. So what can I conclude based on these two? I could conclude that angle B and D are congruent because right angles are congruent, but that's really not going to help in this situation because, well, you'll see in a minute. Let's just try making a conclusion on statement 2. C is the midpoint of segment AE and BD. That means you're going to have some congruent segments. That AC, that segment, is congruent to segment CE, and BC is congruent to segment CD. And the reason why is definition of the midpoint. Now, based on that information, we have a hypotenuse and a leg of a right triangle, and that's really the point of the right angles here. It's not for using right angles are congruent, it's so we can define these triangles as right triangles and use the HL congruence theorem. So the final statement is that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC, and the reason is HL triangle congruence theorem because we have two right triangles and the corresponding hypotenuses and legs are congruent.